How to get Clash Royale Banners. Here is how you can acquire and customize these banners. Open your Clash Royale application. At first you have to unlock Battle Banners. You have to reach King level 7. Battle Banners become accessible once you achieve King level 7. Acquiring Banners item in Seasonal Banner Box. Use Banner Box tokens to obtain random banner items from Seasonal Banner. Each item requires 50 banner tokens. Diamond Pass Royals. Purchasing the Diamond Pass Royals grants exclusive banner items as part of its rewards. You can earn banner tokens by participating in time limit events that offers banners token as reward. You can complete specific tasks related to card usage to earn additional banner tokens. You can customize your battle banners by navigating to your profile and selecting the banner customization option. You can choose from unlocked frames and decorations to design your banner. Add up the 3 badges to highlight your in-game achievements. By actively participating in challenge and competition mastery tasks, you can collect banner tokens to unlock the personalize your banner battles, enhancing your Clash Royale experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.